Hi there, Gareth the Channel Prophets here. So unless you've been hiding under a rock for the last few months, then you have no doubt heard about ChatGPT and the rise of AI online. There are literally new tools and softwares popping up daily. But how it unfolded caught everybody by surprise. It was assumed that AI would replace more mundane tasks and blue-collar jobs first, with the creative industries coming later. But instead, it came directly into the creative space, doing everything from copywriting, digital art, design, and even coding. This triggered a flood of new opportunities, one of which was creating and monetizing faceless videos on YouTube, or what we like to call YouTube automation. YouTube automation is where we outsource content creation to freelancers, making channel growth more scalable and passive, as you don't actually have to be in the video. Your only job is to research ideas, upload videos, and manage your team. But working with freelancers can be expensive, especially in the beginning when your channel isn't making money yet. So for many, this just wasn't an option, which meant learning how to write scripts, recording voiceovers yourself, editing videos, and even designing thumbnails. All of this increased the barrier to entry, and for many, recording their voices just wasn't an option. So they started turning to text-to-speech softwares. But generally, especially when free, the quality of these voices was terrible, and YouTube stopped monetizing these types of channels. The AI just wasn't good enough, which is why everybody continued to recommend using freelancers. But fast forward to where we are today, and AI has accelerated ahead in terms of quality and what you can do with it. You can now create high enough quality videos that pass monetization and still go viral. But with any new tech movement, there is a ton of crap out there, and you need to be using the right tools for the job. Low quality and low effort videos will still not be monetized by YouTube. In an effort to stop a tidal wave of crappy videos hitting the platform, YouTube tightened up the rules on what's allowed. Now, I've already created other videos covering this in more detail, which I'll link to in the video description, along with all the AI tools I currently use and recommend for my faceless channels. Now, assuming you have your niche and video ideas ready, then the first thing you need to do is create a script. This is where ChatGPT comes in. It's completely free at the time of recording this, but if you do pay $20 per month, you get access to a more creative version, and to be honest, when using it, I found ChatGPT 4 to be much better at creating YouTube scripts. I've created a video on the best prompts to use, which I'll again link to in the video description. Once you have your video script from ChatGPT, if you do have any writing skills, I highly recommend putting your own spin on it. But if not, then at least check that it makes sense and that any facts used inside are true. AI still has a tendency to be repetitive and often makes things up. Next, you want to create a voiceover from the script, which is where many people get stuck or make the mistake of going for crappy AI voices. At the time of recording this video, my 3 favorite text-to-speech tools were Jenny, Well Said Labs, and 11 Labs. Again, I'll put links in the video description along with any available discounts I can get for you. These are the most realistic voices I've found after testing dozens of tools. They are also still the ones I currently use. If you need to edit your voiceover clips together, you can use tools like Descript for this. Once you have your voiceover, you are ready to start editing it together using stock footage to create your faceless YouTube video. This part used to be a really time-consuming pain-in-the-ass process, but now you can use a tool called Pictory AI to do most of the work for you. All you have to do is upload your script, and Pictory will generate a video for you. Sure, you'll probably need to change some of the clips to match the text afterwards, but most of the work will be done for you. It selects the video clips to go with your script, auto-syncs the text on the screen to match your voiceover, and you can also add logos, annotations, and more. When the video part is done, you want to make sure to add some background music, as this makes AI voices sound much better. You can also do this part inside Pictory, but I personally prefer to use Epidemic Sound to add another layer of quality to the videos. The last step in the process is creating eye-catching thumbnails, and you could use tools like Canva for this, but I highly recommend paying a freelancer if you can, especially if you don't have any design skills. It's the one thing that AI currently isn't very good at, and it's massively important if you want your videos to go viral. With that said, if you would like full step-by-step training on how I personally use all of these tools to create my faceless videos, then you can get free access to my AI automation workshop by clicking the link in the video description. As always, if you have any questions, just ask in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and until next time.